Hello students. So here we move on to part 2 of percentage and its application. So we are now seeing percentage application part. Will start little later. So I have taken a standard book of class 8 from ICSE. Other board book also you will have similar thing, and this is exercise 7A. So one book just for doing and showing you various sum. So first question is, a number is increased from 125 to 150. What is percentage increase? So first of all you find what is the increase. So 150 minus 125 is 25. So a number increases from 125 to 150. So what is percentage increase, students? It is increase by original. If you write formula, if you see, formula will be increase by original into 100%. Okay. So this is my percentage increase. Increase by original into 100%. So if you calculate it, you cancel it by 5, it will be 25, this will be 5, again you cancel, so you will get 20%. So as I showed you in my part 1, your 25 is 20%, you can do of 125. You remember my part 1, 20% is 1/5. So 125 you break into 5 part, 25 is 1 part. So here a number decreases from 125 to 100. So what is the decrease? Decrease is 25. What is decrease percent? So here formula will be decrease by original into 100%. So decrease 25. What is original? Again here it is 125. Original to 100. This was also increased from 125. In both the situation your original is 125 into 100%. So whenever percentage comes, you have to bring 100 with percent. So once more, when you cancel, this also gives you 20%. So when 125 becomes 100, it is 20% decrease. So next question we take, 45 is what percent of 54? You remember I gave you in my part 1 formula. That formula is, if you have to bring percent, that formula is part by whole into 100%. So what do we get, children? 45 by 54 into 100%. 45 is what percent of 54? So if you cancel, you will get 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. This 3, this will become 50. So you will get 250 by 3, which is your equal to, if you convert 250, you divide by 3, 8s are 24, 1, 3s are 9. So this is nothing but 83, 1 by 3%. Once more, 45 upon 54 into 100 you do. So 45 is 83, 1 by 3% of your 54. So kindly pause the video and copy. So we solve this. 2.7 is what percent? So part by, you'll see my previous question, by 18 into 100%. So when you remove decimal, down we will get 10. Down we will get 10 and 100%. So when you cancel 0, 0, 9 3s are 9 2s are and 2 5s are 10. So 15%. See how you can do by mental math, children, you see. This you can do by mental math. See how. 2.18. So 10% of 18 is 1.8. 10% is 1.8 and 5% is half of that, 0.9. So 15%. So this way you can verify your answer. 15% is 2.5. 10% I said move one decimal here and 5% is half of that. But exam you should do like this. This is to mentally verify your answer. So next type I take is, so this was another type. This is next type. 250 is 35% of a number. So let the number, find the number. So you can say, what is that? Let the number be x. So I go to the next format. See, this was another format, part by whole into 100, and see this format. Just see my part 1 of the video, introductory video. Percentage of x is equal to part. Means x is the whole here, percentage of whole. So percentage of whole is a part. So see, 35% of a number is 252. See this be whole. Okay, you can write like this. So 35% of x is 252. How will you solve? 35 by 100 into x is 252. So x I transpose. So when percentage goes 100 comes off means into. So x 100 goes up, you can cancel here, but I'll cancel that side into 252 by 35. So how we do, children? See here, 100 goes up, 35 goes down. 7 5s are 35. 5 it will go 20 times. 7 you cancel. 7 3s are 21. 4 left. 42. 7 6 are 42. So finally we get 36. You can write as 2 into 10. So 72. This is also I am telling you how you can multiply mentally. So 36 2s are 72 and this is a number. So it will be 720. 36 2s are 72, put 1 0. So we have answer as 72. Same thing over here. Find the number. So what is the number? Can pause and copy. Okay, so here this part I am rubbing just to have more space. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. So same format, children. 14% of whole, percentage of whole is equal to part. X stands for whole. So 14% of x is 315. So percentage goes, I told you in the part 1, 100 comes into x is 315. So my x you keep here is 315. Okay. And 14 will go down and 100 will go up. So when you cancel it by 2, this will be 50, and 7 if you cancel, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So we get 45 into 50, which is 2250, children. So once more, 14% of whole is 315. Percentage goes 100 comes into of into x. Keep x here, 100 goes up, 14 goes down, and then we cancel and we simplify and we get 2250. Then the next question, number 7. There are 800 oranges, 50 are rotten. What is percentage of good oranges? So here I'll go back to this format. Part by whole into 100%. So percentage of good. First you'll have to find how many are good. So good oranges are 800 minus 50, 750. So here it will be 750 by 800 into 100%. Once more, good oranges are there, rotten you subtract, you get good oranges. What is percentage of that? 750 by 800 into 100%. Now we cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. So finally we get 750 by 8. Again you cancel by 2. 4 and this will become 375. Now last part, 375 you divide by 4. 4 nines are 36, 1, 5 will come, 4 threes are 12, 3 will come. So your final answer is 93, 3 by 4%. So 750 upon 800 is 100. We cancel and we get this answer. So please copy, pause the video and copy, and children, you can go back and see. So children, copy and practice, and more sum I'll come in my part 3 of the video. You take any standard book, go through the concept which I have given you. Books, all books have solved example, you solve, and if you see my video, your lot of concept will get clear. So practice, and thank you children, thank you student for watching.